Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having
La Granja. Oh,
Peruvian food.
La Granja, La Granja. La Granja, but I call it La Granja.
I call it La Bamba.
La Granja.
And it is Peruvian food.
Yes.
And why are we having this food today, my love? Fast Food Fridays. And as you guys know, I don't do an outfit on Fast Food Friday. It's a chillax day, so we're gonna dig in. But I'm gonna tell you what we have. Richie have a half a chicken with rice and beans, and then he have his onions, not my onions, some plantanos, and we have some fried yuca. I have some rice and beans with onions, and then this is called. I have my thing here because I'm not gonna remember it. It is called Bocado el Ajo.
Yeah, may you bite your tongue.
So this is the restaurant.
La Granja.
La Granja.
Yeah.
Honey.
What?
Alright guys, so we're going to dig in. Happy Friday. I have a
Happy FFF in the building, you know.
Yes.
I get happy when it's around this time.
I have a Lipton iced tea. But I have to add some water because it's sweet.
That's a leftover one she had in the fridge for like about a couple of days, so I had to make her drink it. I'm telling everybody here what's going on right now. Yeah, family, that's a leftover. One first lady drink her juice them, she opened 5 different drinks and always don't drink them. And I gotta go around and pick them up and put them back in the fridge. So we not wasting no drink, that's a leftover drink. And you see it full? Yeah, she just open and just drink.
Can I have a
I tell by you.
Chick-fil-A sauce? You know something I'm not paying on mine?
Yes, fam, that's how she do it. First they just open and drink, but first they just open, and no one drink. Your man, she have to drink it today.
That's right.
And she got 2 more in there.
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
You want napkin?
monkey see, monkey do.
There you go.
Mr. Richie,
Wow.
you're full of fashion, but my God,
I'll tell it by you.
this tastes good with the
So this is fried yuca.
It's like French fries.
If you never tried that, it's good. You know, I just gotta keep it simple. Gotta get my chicken, son.
They have so much different varieties.
It's a lot of stuff, yeah.
This, I'll be honest with you guys. I've had this before, but this sauce is usually more creamy. No, usually more like looser.
Yeah.
So
They like it loose. What catfish is this?
you know, I don't know, but it's still good though.
This ain't the catfish. Catfish is. Yeah. Tilapia is good, right?
It's good.
Yeah, good.
So it has shrimps on it, scallops. It's good.
It is good. I taste
I'm
it.
not a fan of scallops though. But wait,
What?
you think something?
And some family. So how is your Friday going, man? I know you like this Friday. Yeah, off the weekend. You know what I'm saying? Some of us still got to work, but I know some of y'all are. What y'all planning to do? Huh? Why you laugh?
We had a neighbor
Hey.
who was from Peru. One day, I don't know,
You want a piece of my chicken?
in conversation. Let me piece of my fish.
When you're done, you know some of that fish, man.
In
I
conversation,
always want to try your fish. Fish nice.
we were just talking, and I said, I'm about to go eat some Spanish food. And she's like, really weird. And I said, from the Granja. And she said, that's not Spanish food, that's Peruvian food. I was like, no, it's not. She's like, she is, it's Peruvian food. And I was like, oh my gosh, when I went there, big sign, Peruvian food.
Family, we just go eat anywhere. I didn't pay attention.
But that just goes to show that I was a little bit ignorant on that because you just figure they're talking Spanish or whatever. I mean, there's several different countries where they speak. You know what I mean? So I shouldn't have just assumed that it was a Spanish. You know what I mean? But
you're right. But it wasn't nothing bad like that.
Yeah.
You know what you're saying?
Oh no, but it was just that I was like, wow.
We never know. We never all the time. But it's good though. It's delicious.
Very good.
What up? What up? We're back in the building. Best time of the day for me.
Eat time?
But look, I have a question for y'all. Card. The corona is not getting worse. You know, better I know. Question. I heard they got the vaccine now, right? I almost said vaccine. I almost said vaccine.
Who is Maxine? Hey, who is Maxine?
The chicken. Boy, I went to the family. Maxine watching right now. Family.
Maxine, value her life. She gotta watch.
Family. Y'all gonna take that vaccine?
Let us know.
Let us know. Cause I'm down for it, cause I wanna travel, son. You know what I'm saying?
Me not take it.
That's when you take the vaccine, you can just go anywhere, right? Or you have to show.
Me not take it.
If they say you have to,
That's what they're gonna try to do to force you to take it.
I want to take it though.
Yeah, but I'm talking about people who don't want to take it. If you want to take it, this doesn't apply to you. So that's what they're gonna do to people who don't want to take it. They're gonna tell them, well, if you don't take it, you can't travel. If you don't take it, you can't work.
Yeah.
If you don't take it, you can't go to school.
That's what they're gonna be saying now.
If you don't take it, you know what I mean? So you're gonna have no choice because that's just like vaccines that you give babies. If you don't give it to them, you can't be in a public school.
That's true.
So
What's your situation on that? What's your comment on that now? Let me know.
I won't be taking it
Will you take
until
it?
years down the line. When
First, let me. I can try it, you know.
you let me know how it goes, my love.
I'll let you know.
When it has been researched and researched.
The president take it. Look who man take it.
He ain't take it.
You take it? You think so?
I don't think so. They're gonna say whatever they want to say just to make you take it. But this is what I say.
Yeah.
All these years,
Yeah.
they have all these diseases and they can't find a cure for it.
Yeah.
And within 3, 4, 5 months, they have a cure for corona.
That make you think, huh?
And why?
Yeah.
Why this disease? Why are you able to find a cure for this disease? Why?
Why?
I believe that they have it. And if you guys know, I'm big on Dr. Sebi. So I believe that there's certain things that you can do. You know what I mean? Yeah. But anyway, that's a different subject. I don't like. I'm gonna take this off. I don't like the fact that the sauce is too thick for me today.
The sauce thick for you?
It's too thick. Usually it's not this thick. I haven't had this in a while, but I remember it was more looser so that it's like a sauce. This feels like it was like they put too much cornstarch.
You love loose thing, man.
So,
What happened? You sure you don't want a piece of my chicken?
oh no.
Oh, it's not. Family, I was saving it for y'all. I know y'all said Richie, I didn't give me none yet, but I know y'all say that, huh? Don't drop it up, Cabby. Drop out a ball. Look here. Take it. Take a bite.
It's almost dropped.
Take a bite. Here you go. I already put sauce on it for you already. Take one. There you go. Thank you.
Put some more yuca.
I gave you the thigh because I don't like thigh like that. But I'm going to have it today.
So I believe that in their mind,
Continue.
they said, I'll take a napkin, honey.
You want napkin?
They said, you know what?
I know you have one, do you, Yuka?
This gone too far now. We're gonna get the vaccine because we can't have too much people dying.
Yeah.
Because we need the people them so we can stay rich. Without people, we can't stay rich. So we don't want too much people dying.
True talk.
And it's an airborne illness.
Yeah.
It's not like HIV or cancer or Alzheimer's. None of those.
Like the first of the album.
Those, it doesn't matter to them. Take medicine and you'll be alright. But now we're talking about an airborne illness? Oh no.
So that's they want everybody to pay for it? Oh.
Now we're talking about an airborne illness?
They have to jump on it fast.
We gotta get the vaccine for this. Because this is really killing people very fast. Right?
True.
This is my theory. You don't have to agree.
Everybody has their own opinion.
This is my theory. So now, it's an airborne illness, we gotta fix it. We've had enough deaths now. We don't want too much people dying. Because then, the population will be too low and we won't have no money. Because there'll be nobody to be buying stuff. The population will be too low.
True.
So, I don't know what you think, but I'm not taking it. And if I do take it, it'll be no time soon.
I'm taking it, honey. I'm taking it. They're asking if I want to be the first one to sample it. You got me.
Let me ask you a question. Why?
Because that's what you said before? They're gonna make it a law. And you have to take it. They're gonna try to take away a lot of stuff from you.
If you don't take it.
Yeah. So might as well just do it now before it comes there and then the vaccine run out. Then nobody could get it. But why would they make something, right? Why would they make a vaccine if they know it's not gonna work?
Let me say something. When it comes to certain things, black people, you guys already know what they did to us already. Okay?
That's the rice, because you're not in the rice.
You already know what they did to us already. They gave us syphilis. Because according to them, black people can handle pain. That's what they think. So, I'm not so trusting of being the first one to take a vaccine. I'll be the last one when it's been 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and I'm like, okay, but I'm not gonna be the first one.
So how do you know people didn't take it yet and not coming out?
Like who?
I mean, like people. You think people would just take it? They have to advertise
Because
it?
what they're doing is they're only giving it to the really like old people and healthcare workers right now.
Okay. Okay.
And it's sticky. It's very sticky.
Yeah.
I just can't be the first one though. That's all.
That's why I want them to let me know, because a lot of people say they will take it. Other people say they won't. But I know it won't kill us.
How you know that though?
I really don't. I don't know that.
Yeah, you don't know that, and you don't know whatever's inside of it if you're allergic to it.
Yeah, but I'm saying.
And by the time you know, it's too late. You're dead.
But why would they do that? Why would they make that then if it's gonna kill people?
Because it's not that they're making it to kill people. They won't know.
You want a piece of this?
They won't know. They don't know that you're allergic to something, just like you don't know. The only time you know that you're allergic to something is when you eat something and then you realize, oh man, I'm allergic to this. Either you break out in hives, your throat closes up, you know, your face gets swollen, something happens, your tongue starts to scratch, something happens where you know this particular medicine is not for me. So you're not gonna know that until you take it.
Take it. But me?
Excuse me.
Me try it, Tom.
Yeah. So you try it and then you let us know.
I'll be that SK like I always do. See, if they do have a family, I'm gonna try and let y'all know. But I'm not allergic to nothing.
You don't know that yet, my love.
Shit. Look how long I've been living and I haven't seen it and I was allergic to nothing.
Honey, we're talking about medicine. Now we're not talking about food. We're talking about medicine. So, question. When was the last time you had a shot?
What?
When was the last time you went to the doctor and got a shot? You don't know. The last time Richie got a shot, Richie was probably about, when they stopped giving kids shot, maybe 14, 15 years old. That was 20 years ago. Or 23 years ago.
Yeah, I'm business by TV Mario.
So, if that was 23 years ago, and you haven't had a shot since, you never got a flu shot, no shots. You never had a shot. You never had a flu shot. You never had any other shots since you was 14, 15 years old. And now you're 37. And you're going to take a COVID shot. You don't know what's in that medicine that you might be allergic to. You just don't know until you take it. So you can't say, I'm not allergic to anything, because you won't know until you take it.
Blood, no, when you come. When the first one sign up, like I'm waiting for a video game. Right or lie. Hey. I'm gonna be up there like, pick me. Let me try.
This was good. The sauce was just too thick. So I'm not gonna eat the rest of this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, make you guys think that I enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoyed 85% of it.
Put the fish by my side.
The fish, the gravy is too thick. It's tasty. It's very flavorful. I just don't like thick
sauce,
stuff. Yeah, it's just like my porridge. I don't like my porridge thick, and I don't like it loose. It has to be the right texture. And I don't like thick soup. If you make me soup and the soup is thick, I cannot eat it. It has to be right in the middle. All my soup lovers, y'all know what I'm talking about.
Wow, shrimp me get.
Shrimp.
You want a piece of my chicken?
I'm full.
Oh! I got something. First lady. I got something for the ladies again. So ladies, I got something for this. I want y'all to comment down and let me know about this one. Okay, first lady? You listening? Women with higher IQs have a harder time finding a mate.
You're damn right.
Hold on, you see? That's what I like reading when you're not, you may a true word, you know. And not y'all, all y'all listeners, listen, that's the first thing I knew she was gonna say something.
Yeah, man.
All right.
You a true word for me?
Yeah, man, you may a true word, okay? You're full of talk. Intelligent women would rather remain single than be with the wrong person. I'm gonna read it again. Okay, and then
Yeah.
family, y'all, ladies, y'all tell me, cause I know it's all ladies out there.
Yeah.
Women with higher IQs have a harder time finding a mate. Intelligent women would rather remain single than be with the wrong person. Tell me if that's true, ladies.
That's true.
First lady already told me already. So, you know what I'm saying?
The day Richie pissed me off, too bad, I'm gonna be single. Me not steer.
I'll be single and I go on naked dating.
You should go ahead and you be single. Do whatever you want.
I'm gonna go naked dating, fam. You ever watch that? Fam, you ever? Fam, you ever watch Naked Dating?
You don't need to go. You don't need to go. No naked dating. Go embarrass yourself.
Fam, I can't. As soon as they let me off, I'm making a naked day with
Come on, Naked and Afraid.
No, I'm making a naked day with.
But
naked
they
and
do
Afraid.
have a show called Naked Dating.
Yeah. Where you go there naked and meet girls and stuff like that.
They're gonna come see you and say, "Oh, turn my back around."
You think so? Family, the day first day she said she's single, I'm gone for naked dating.
Piss me off enough.
I'm out, son. I'm out. I'm out for the count. I'm straight. I'm gonna be the first one in the line like this. Pick me.
Let me tell you one thing. I love my husband, but if I get to the point where I'm too unhappy and it's not working, it's time to go.
Try to lie. Family, you will see me a naked dating. And naked and afraid. Your love chat. We shared. We had a nice conversation, you know. Chit chat, you know.
Chitty chat.
Just let us know how you feel about that. The shot and stuff like that. And the first lady trying to put my business out there. Then, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to The Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady?
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.